this is 2 weeks after a lumbar decompression and stabilisation. You went home on the same day after surgery. Have you had much pain since the operation?
No, nothing.
Anything down your leg now?
No.
Posture? Can we see the side view? Yeah.
Side view?
Oh, perfect. Yeah. Do you think he's standing straighter?
Well, maybe at the back.
Yeah. Well, now, yes. But it's clearly straight. Yeah, perfect. Let's see you have a little walk. Yeah, good. And you look really well balanced, which is good. And then back that way. Excellent. And how about, I know you haven't done this yet, but how about a little bit of flexibility? Can you bend forward slightly? Just bend forward?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah?
I have to stop myself from doing it.
Yeah, no, don't do too much, but let's see how far you can go. A little, yeah, that's good. And how about sideways? Yeah, and this is only 2 weeks. Fantastic. Good.